How to play Free Fire on Chromebook with keyboard and mouse. Now, basically, as you can see, I'm moving around with my keyboard in Free Fire. However, there's one major problem. Now, while Chrome OS does well to give us the game dashboard at the top hand side, which gives us controls and allows us to map different controls to different keybinds, there is another problem where you're unable to use your mouse or lock your mouse in place, and you're unable to use the mouse to shoot. And that is why in this video, I'm going to give you 5 different websites that will allow you to play this game on Chromebook and will allow you to use both the keyboard and the mouse. Now, I'm going to give you 5 different websites that allow you to play this with both your keyboard and mouse. And the first one is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025. Another forward slash you type in 10. And then the last forward slash you type in fr.html and hit enter right away. Great. Now, once on this page, just go ahead and go to link 1. Click on link 1 and try it out. And then let me know if that works for you. Now, the second link to try out is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025, another forward slash 10, and then the last forward slash, and then this time around you want to go and type ft.html and then hit enter once again. Now, once here again, go ahead and try out link 2 and let me know if link 2 worked best for you. Now, the third link to try out is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/10, another forward slash, and this time around you want to type in rs.html and hit enter again. Now, once you're again, go ahead and try out link 3 and let me know if this also works for you. Now, the fourth link to try out is gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025/10, another forward slash, and you want to type in yt.html and hit enter once again. Great. Now, once on this page, just go ahead and try the fourth link and let me know if this link works for you guys. Now, for the last link, you want to go ahead and type in gd7plays.blogspot.com/2025, another forward slash 10, and then the last forward slash, and you want to type in fs.html and hit enter again. Great. Now, once all this fits site, just go ahead and try out this fit link and let me know if these work for you. The reason why we're using cloud gaming services is because Chrome OS hasn't given us the option just yet to use our pointer or to use the mouse lock to be able to play games natively on Chrome OS. But that's it. It's your boy GD7 Plays, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure to comment down if you have any other problem, and see you guys in my next video. Peace out.